here in Pune for the regional symposium, and I have to tell you, I am really excited to be here. I'm just loving it. I love coming to India. You know, it's so unusual. I love how everything is so different. I love how the streets and the traffic and the pedestrians all work together like a ballet, like it's all planned. It seems like chaos, but it's beautifully choreographed. I really enjoyed coming to Urban Sketchers.
All 3 days experience was extraordinary. We never thought the Sketchfest would be this good.
When the announcements were done for Sketchfest, I was that time itself sure that I am gonna visit this, because it's like paradise for sketchers to meet other sketchers and having such beautiful locations and localities out here to sketch. And Urban Sketchers Pune's energy is so amazing that everyone feels energetic after that.
I have met so many exuberant urban sketchers over here, and after attending their demos and workshops, I could find the limitations of my own style. And now after completing it, I am so inspired and energetic to overcome my own limitations. So Urban Sketchers Pune has given me a lot to do now. So yes, I would rigorously continue my sketch practice.
Most important about Urban Sketchers is that sketching takes a whole new dimension when you sketch with the community, and it's so beautiful to sketch with the community rather than sketching alone. And this Pune festival has actually taught me that, and I wouldn't miss this for the world. And it's worth every second I've spent here. Meeting so many people, meeting so many artists and wonderful techniques of art. And I thought I was doing well, but this Pune festival has taught me that I'm just getting started. And such amazing people sharing everything they know. And I am coming back every year, and this happens every year. And
for me, the Sketchfest was very intriguing because there was such a diverse palette of activities that happened over here, including the sketch works and of course the demos and the workshops.
Got married, I never saw this many crowd. Okay, they're very good people. Because first my father-in-law went to give a daughter married. When they saw my photos there, many of our relatives said, I won't go to this. What happened? So this is amazing. First time I'm seeing urban sketchers who can draw, teach, sing, dance and do mom rap. It's amazing.
Thanks a lot, and we had a lot of fun with the colors that you've given us, and we will see all the work.
Thank you, Art Lounge, for sponsoring us. Yeah.
Vivian has been tirelessly sitting in the desk for us, right through the segment.
Yeah.